So we are
When
making...
can I get hurt?
When do we get paid?
Look at him doing all the work, and Tiana's just observing.
These are my slaves, actually.
Wow.
I'm kidding. Now, so today we are making gnocchi. We're going to make gnocchi from scratch. I'm going to do 2 sauces. One will be like a creamy carbonara kind of sauce, and the other one will be a tomatoey bolognese type of sauce.
Delicious.
Say it again.
Delicious.
What delicious? Forking.
No.
Delicious.
No.
Hi there. Welcome to Tiana's YouTube channel. Today we are making gnocchi, and step 1, peel potato.
Wow, I couldn't have said it any better myself. So we got Taylor over here with the wow, this instrument that he's using. Look at that skill. Look at that craftsmanship. And we've got Twee over here. She's doing a pretty good job.
Child friendly.
Because like you can come and chill. Like you don't have to.
I'm just vlogging.
Oh.
So what are you doing, Rob?
Washing the mushrooms, extra flavour.
Colin, what are you doing?
Cutting some onions.
Look at that.
Some
Hey, do you
onions.
reckon that your eyes don't water because you're wearing glasses? Like, is that a thing?
People wear safety goggles or swimming goggles.
But what if I'm wearing contacts? Will my eyes tear up?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's like how you can put eye drops.
But I don't get it. Because you're wearing glasses, can't the fumes go around?
Yeah, but less.
And,
Science!
no, you just.
Oh no.
No, you're doing a great job. A lot of precision.
Taylor, don't yell at him. No, I'm proud of him.
Aww.
Don't be mean, okay?
Yeah, stop being mean to him.
John, show us your chopsticks. Damn. What are you doing?
Just like, oh shit, the fire's not hot yet. I mean, the oil's not hot yet.
Oh, that's alright. He's frying off some onion and garlic.
Onions.
This one is 40 to 45. Looks so good.
So this is our carbonara sauce.
How is that serious? What happened?
Okay, so I kind of fucked up. I was meant to put the carrots, the mushrooms and the celery in first and then put in the mince. But that's okay, it's still going to taste delish. Just keep talking.
I think killing animals. I used to kill animals.
Mushing some potatoes.
Whoosh. Whoa!
Yeah, can you stare at it, please?
You call it?
Careful, it's hot.
Messy. License or anything? And then one time, one person sent it, and they were from California.
How's it feel, John?
That's fine.
Oh no.
Okay. So what's happening now? What's happening?
Rob.
We are making gnocchi. So we're rolling out the dough and then we're rolling into like a sausage and then we're going to use a knife to section it out.
Is this like that? Is that too thick?
No, that's good. That's cute.
So cute.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, cool. Now what?
Perfect commentary.
And put it, so just put it like somewhere, like.
Do you put cheese on this too?
Hi, so it's about 11 o'clock and I'm sitting on my bathroom floor. I know, really random, but I'm just really happy. In this moment, I'm just really happy because today was just so fun, just having everyone over to cook. We made gnocchi together. It did take us 3 hours, but I think the reward was so satisfying. Like, it tasted awesome, and just seeing everyone come together, it's just a lot of fun. I'm just so happy and so much awe to be surrounded by such awesome people, and yeah, I love how food can really bring people together and create some really good memories, and also just delicious food and a good time. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. I encourage anyone out there, you know, wherever you are in the world, why not cook with your friends or with your family? It's so much fun. And eating together is just awesome. So yeah, I love it. Hope you have a good day.